to Sunny Farm. I hear baby animals calling. They want to find their mommies and daddies. Will you help me match them? Let's start.
I drink milk from my mother. I will grow big and strong. Moo!
Who says moo? Are you a calf?
Look, it's the mother cow.
Baby calf, mother cow. Calf and cow go moo, 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 moo. I love to run and play. Neigh.
Who says nay? You are a fool. A horse's baby. Baby fool, mother horse. Fool and horse say nay, nay, nay.
Ha! My wool is soft and white. Ha!
Who says ba?
You are a lamb.
Baby lamb, a mother sheep. Ba 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 ba.
I love to jump and climb. You are a kid, goat's baby.